Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Well, so this is a symbol for the first angle projection. So in short, to just memorize this, first angle projection, you can see it's front view. So remember that you can easily understand. First angle projection, front view first. Okay. You can see the description. So the object imagined to be in the first quadrant. I'll show you the 4 quadrants and which is the first quadrant and how we need to exactly recognize it. Okay. So in short, in the first angle projection, the front view comes first. Okay. So if you move it here, if you move it clockwise, this one, so the front view first, and then bottom will have the top view. Remember that, very important. The side view drawn to the left side of the elevation, just towards the left side. This is the front view in the sense towards left. We'll see that here. And you could see, so these are the quadrants, the first quadrants for the first angle projection. So the object we imagine it to be here in the first quadrant, and if you see from this side, the front view lies first and the top view comes at the bottom. Okay, this is how it is represented, the front view first and the top view here. If you see this particular first quadrant from the top view, or if you just move this one towards your left side, anti-clockwise, front view first and the top view second. Okay. Now to make it understand, you could see if you have this one in the first quadrant, front view here and the top view at the bottom. Okay. And if you rotate it anti-clockwise, this is exactly you're gonna see. Okay. This is the symbol. Well, this is all about the first angle projection, but practically if you do it in the part modeling, how you need to represent it. So this is how it is. This is the isometric view. If you are going to represent the first angle projection, front view should be the first one, and then towards your left side you should have the right view, and just below this you should have the top view. In short, front view first, bottom, top view. I hope it's clear. Similarly, when it comes to third angle projection, you could see the symbolic representation is this, and first comes is the top view and then the front view. Okay, same thing, the object is imagined to be in the third quadrant. As you could see, this is the third quadrant, and now here if you move this one again anti-clockwise, this particular view will lie here, and if you see from the top view first and the front view second. Okay. Similarly, if you try to project it, you could see, so the first one is the top view and here it is the front view. This is what it is here. Okay, you can see here the front view, the top view, and if you rotate it anti-clockwise, this is a symbolic representation. Now when it comes to representation in the part modeling, you could see first it should come the top view, and then just below this you should have the front view. Okay, and then the right view. This is how we represent it. In short, to summarize, let's say if someone asks you to draw your drafting with respect to the front angle projection, you just need to remember this symbol, front angle, front view first, and then the bottom it should come. So okay, and then same thing here with the front view first, just below this the top view should come, and then beside the front view you should have the side view. Same thing when it comes to third angle projection, top view should come first, just below that we should have the front view. Okay, similarly side view just beside the front view. It's clear, right? So this is how we represent the first angle and third angle representation. Mostly in European countries we use the first angle, but in India and other Asian countries we use the third angle projection in chart. Okay. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.